So I've wired in the Nextbase 512 GW into the new Honda Jazz. What I've done is the best place for it to go is up in this top corner. I know it's a dirty area, but because of this, there's absolutely nowhere else for it to go. Unfortunately, we bought the camera for the older Jazz, which fitted perfectly, but now with the new Jazz, with all the cameras that are in the centre of the windscreen, you don't really get much windscreen room. You don't really want it in front of the driver's face, and it hangs far too low anywhere else. So yeah, the best place really is the top corner. Also, as a driver's point of view, you're not seeing the screen or anything, and you're still getting sort of a good view. Switch that on. It's a bit difficult with one hand trying to show everything. Right, yeah, so you can see most of the windscreen. Obviously, when the windscreen gets a bit dirty, the wipers are going to miss that area. But again, it's the best place I can put it. So yeah, I've routed the cable up along the top, and basically it goes all the way across around the air pillar, so it misses the airbag down the side. The hard wiring kit which I've used is a Nextbase one. You can see that the tap goes into the 4th column across. At the top it's a 20 amp fuse. The earthing cable, or the ground, where is it? I've basically used a bolt. Let me just get the torch. There. I've just put a bolt there and attached the cable to that. So yeah, I've now got the reversing camera, sorry, the rear camera to fit in the back. And the way I'm looking at doing that is taking this grommet out of here, or maybe putting a hole through there, mounting the small camera on the back there. Basically take the cable through there, along through the grommet, through the part into here, and then run it down and along. But anyway, we'll see how I get on with that.